Well, that's a lot to remember, but but here's how I think a company like Duke can play a really meaningful role on two fronts, really. One, on the more political front, we've long advocated some kind of pricing mechanism for carbon, and we think that we think that worked for SO2. In fact, you can kind of point to the history of that and see that it worked, and we think that it could effectively drive clean energy solutions in a way that is probably not possible without some kind of a price on carbon. The other thing that I think is interesting is we have historically, and our brethren in the electric utility industry, have historically been proponents of a portfolio approach to energy deployment. So we have not defaulted toward a single fuel, for example. Jim Rogers, my boss, likes to say he's for all the fuels. There's no silver bullet, and although his favorite fuel is what he calls the fifth fuel, which is energy efficiency. Yeah. But I think that there's a tendency in today's environment with very low priced natural gas because of shale gas to I'm already starting to see kind of a lurch toward natural gas, and I think that people, entities in the market like Duke are going to have to continue to tell the story behind the portfolio approach. Natural gas is cheap today. Will it be cheap 15 years from now? If you build a natural gas plant, it's going to be around 15 years from now. So, how do you make sure that you've got the right mix of things together that are going to provide the reliability, the minimal impact on the environment, the cost that society needs?